Hi, this is TeamBuild's Secure Offline Multi-Agent Field Operations Assistant, the team's submission for use case 1, focused on operations and engineering field support. The problem we are solving is that field engineers are often deployed to remote or low connectivity sites where they need equipment manuals, troubleshooting procedures, safety rules, checklists and reporting tools, but they may not have reliable internet access. The primary users are field engineers, operations supervisors, and maintenance teams. The engineer needs task-specific guidance before going to site, while the supervisor needs traceable outputs, safety controls, and field reports after the task. Our solution is a Compass-powered multi-agent system that runs on a main server and generates a secure offline assistant package for a specific field task. The core agents are Planner Agent, Retriever Agent, Package Builder Agent, Risk Agent, Evaluator Agent, Final Response Agent, and Learning Agent. The key collaboration moment is that this is not a simple linear pipeline. The planner delegates retrieval, the retriever returns evidence, the package builder creates a draft, the risk agent branches in when safety risk is detected, and the evaluator critiques the result. Now we will run the system using a sample input for troubleshooting low RF output power on a satellite communication terminal. The request goes to /run, and the agents generate an offline assistant package. Here is the output. It includes safety warnings, troubleshooting flow, checklists, report template, evidence sources, package validation, and a SHA-256 package hash. On the mobile side, the engineer can review the guidance, complete the checklist, draft a field report, and sync it back to the server when connectivity returns. The system also includes a learning agent. After a field engineer confirms a real fix, the learning agent reviews and normalizes the learning, classifies safety sensitivity, creates tags, and stores it as pending for human approval. The impact is faster field readiness, safer troubleshooting, better report quality, and reuse of confirmed field experience. If selected for incubation, the next steps are production authentication, encrypted offline packages, device binding, OCR for scanned manuals, Compass embedding-based vector search, and a hardened mobile app. Thank you.